guys back again. So I found out the right direction that these little bars go. So all the flat ones go down in the bottom here, lower part I mean, and then all the curvy ones go on the top right here. So yeah, so now I'm gonna tuck in the foam 18, and then I'm gonna yeah,
for YouTube?
I'm gonna roll back the carpet. Yep, YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Hey, subscribe to my channel.
We're trying to do YouTube, guys. I haven't been successful loading videos, but hopefully this one will get a chance to get online, because this is the first well, I'll show you guys from the beginning, so hopefully that'll help if you're trying to install a third row seat. Yeah, and I guess I can roll back the carpet. That's just trash right here. That's trash. That's how it is. It's just a foam thing. It was like this, but somehow I guess
probably melted it. And
yeah,
it just balled up like that.
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna be able to go to the park?
I'm not sure yet. Hold this for me. While I tucked in the pads.
What happened to the one you told me to put in the garage?
The piece that
yeah, so on the piece.
Yeah, I got it. I almost forgot about it, but I just went inside and got it. So the pad is tucked in, very nice. And then now, pop it back, then bang. A little bit more. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Alright. That's it. Just gotta do a little bit more cleanup. Tuck that in, and then done deal. But before I do that, I wanted to test the seats. But I got all my covers here. I gotta clean it up. Alright, YouTubers, I'll show you all I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. I will speed up time.
So much dust. It's getting all in my face. It's getting all in my face. I'm like,
Move back, don't let the dust get in there.
oh, Miko's calling me.
Who, Mikael?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just pause the video for now.